Okay, it's day one of a really big trip, and this is gonna be a big summer to remember kind of moment, so I can't wait to share this with you. So come along, let's go. Okay, I've just driven 6 miles. It's the beginning of the big trip. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the scoop. You want to go to Kroger and buy all your groceries and then go get some fuel because then you're going to get discount points. Okay, so got some groceries. Now it's time to go get fuel. Diesel here is $3.39 a gallon, and hopefully we got some points off that fuel. We'll see what it comes to. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I now have a happy face on the front of my lovely Winnebago Echo. I think it gives a little, like, you know, a little happy travels. Okay, lots of groceries to put away. Let's get this done. Rosie did not get to come grocery shopping. She got to be in charge of the Echo and hang out. She's a great guard dog. I got you some treats, Rosie. The regular price of diesel is $3.399, and I'm getting a nice discount. Okay, if you know me, you know how much I love a good orange cone. These cones are huge. Oh my gosh, I've got cone envy. What can I say? Think of all the things I could do. Where could I put all these cones? Oh, I would love that. Okay, that was half a tank for me. 23 gallons. Wow, okay, I've got a pretty good sized tank, so this is pretty fun. Let's keep going. Okay, would someone like to explain to Rosie that she still can't drive? I know she wants to. Rosie, gotta get down, girlfriend. Come on, get down. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I just parked for the night. Of course, my first major stop, other than like, you know, where did I go today? Let's see. I left Huntsville, Alabama, and I went through Nashville, went through Kentucky. I'm in Illinois, and I'm staying at one of my favorite boondocking spots, a Cracker Schmerl. Got me at a Cracker Barrel night, and then tomorrow we keep going on the way. But it's been a lot of fun, and Rosie and I've just been enjoying the day, so now I'm going to go in and get myself something to eat and hunker down for the night. Off here for two reasons. One, this is the historic Route 66 coming up here, very exciting. Two, just, you know, get some fuel and check out a few things. But it's really interesting now that I've been all these highways. You know, you forget how Route 66 really was, you know, the mother road across the country so many people took, and how many towns it impacted once the highways came in, the big highways. So yeah, we'll go check this out. Okay, to know me is to know that I will drive to Culvers on a drive day to go get a Butterburger. It is one of those drive day cravings, and I have all this food packed in here, but of course, I need to go get a Butterburger, so that's what I'm gonna go get. Never a dull day. All right, so I got my Culvers. Got back just in time. The AC kicked on, so it'll get a little warm in here. Got my big cheeseburger. Love the cheeseburger. It's delicious. You know, one of the reasons I come here, which sounds crazy, other than Rosie likes it too, we'll share, is they have crinkle cut fries. I love crinkle cut fries. Oh my gosh. Talk about a travel day surprise and a travel day treat. We're going to go check out the Colorado Welcome Center and rest area. We're going to go see what we can find out here. We're over in Julesburg, Colorado, established in 1859. Sort of interesting because the Civil War ended in 1864. So you look at these little towns and find out, when were they actually established? What's something we need to know? But let's go check out the Welcome Center and see what they say. It says, "Welcome to colorful Colorado." Okay, every time I stop in a new state, I go to the visitor center. Be surprised all the cool things you can find out and all the neat places you want to check out. Don't want to miss anything, right? For those of you who don't know, when you're traveling on some of these major highways out west, there are places where they actually close the road. So bad weather, accidents, whatever it might be. So be prepared. You might run into a situation where the next major stop might be your last stop. So make sure you're preparing your vehicle for spending the night either on the highway or pulling off and finding a place to stay.